Show y'all a little quick. Oh shit. Day in life. You know what I'm saying? Where I kind of go through and stuff. So yeah, let's see how this go. Right here. I need a shower. Yeah.
Hi.
Hi. I had to pay for a shower.
You gotta pay for a shower?
Yeah.
You have a rewards card?
Oh, yes, ma'am. What time I close?
10. I think it's 10. Is it 10 on Sundays, Becky?
Yeah, it's 7 on Sunday.
Oh, 7.
Okay. Yes. The showers. Where's shower 7? There you go. 4, 8, 8, 4. Oh. Yeah. These how the showers looking shit. Shit like that. I got my ugly ass right here. And now this, you know what I'm saying, pretty clean. So order me some IHOP. I'm getting this hat. Check this hat. This shit cold. I kind of already know what I want.
Okay, give me just a second.
Alright. I'm sorry.
What's your name?
Kevin.
What can I get for you, Kevin?
Can I get a big steak omelet with no mushrooms? And can I get 4 strips of bacon? And an extra side of hash browns. And that'd be all.
$17.57.
Alright, cool. There you go. Waiting on my food. I'm gonna buy this hat. Key truck stops got the drip, bro. Fuck all that designer shit, man. Get you some regular shit. You know, build your shit together. That's a nice hat, bro. I can't remember last time I bought me some extra clothes, to be honest. Yeah. Hey, got the food. You feel me? Time to go relax. My appointment time ain't till fucking 8 a.m. tomorrow, 7. Gonna be 8. Still got 12 hours to get there, so I'm gonna eat, take me a little nap, get up at like 5, so I get there on time. Alright. Back in this motherfucker. You know what, a little mess. I try to keep my shit fairly clean. My shit don't be looking that bad. It could look better, but set that shit right there. Let's put my fucking door. Yeah, got my omelet, got my bacon. I put my hash browns over my omelet. That's like how I eat my shit. You know what I'm saying? Got a nice little movie to watch. And shit. You know what I'm saying? That's that. Life of a trucker. Well, that's the life of me. You feel me? How I be on the road. Can't speak for everybody else. Everybody different.